Alright guys, haven't done a Giulia quad video in a while. Just been so overwhelmed this summer with work. So I want to give you guys an update on the custom coilovers we're developing and a bunch of other stuff, including I want to sell the Apex wheels that are on the car currently, because when we test the coilovers, I want to go back to the Technical wheels with the Corsa tire, just so there's no deviation from stock. I don't want to have any wheel spacers. I want to have the car set up like stock, and then we're going to make changes from that point on. So I want to kind of get rid of these wheels, and I think going forward I might do a square setup on this car. I'm still going back and forth on that, but it really comes down to how the coilovers are going to feel and how much better the car's going to. So we're still on the KW DDC kit, and I will be selling these. So if anybody wants them and you're willing to wait about a month or so, definitely hit me up through the AutoFanatic website and I'll give you a killer deal on these. These are still extremely hard to get. It's a proven system, plug and play, all the adaptive modes still work, and it's just a great system. But I want a little bit more aggressive. I want a little bit harder, and unfortunately with the DNA, you can't tweak it based off just the 3 modes. You have standard, you have dynamic, and you have race. I want to go harder than that. I want to just do things a little bit differently. So that's why I think by having a true adjustable coilover, it's going to change things up a bit. Also, so all the parts are modeled for the coilover kit, and we're not doing a divorced rear spring the way everybody else is doing it. So I'm just waiting right now for a bunch of 3D printed sample parts for the mounts for the front and the rear. We're going to blow the car apart. We're going to test everything. Once everything's test fit and everything is good and there's no adjustments, then those parts will go into production with the spherical bearings and the aluminum top hats and the mounts for the rear and all of that. And I'm hoping end of September, maybe October, I should have the first prototype kit on this car set up to do some preliminary testing. And as I do it, I'll show you guys the video of the parts, putting it on, setting it all up, and I'm going to keep going and going and going to see exactly how the car is going to feel. And then we're going to decide, you know, are we going to make changes? We're going to change the spring rates, we're going to change the valving, we don't know. But I'm pretty confident that once this system is in this car, out of the box, it's going to be pretty freaking incredible, based on all the other systems that this company has built for us. And we specifically use them on all the Ferrari builds in our shop right now. And I just like the fact that we're going to be able to customize everything from the spring rates to the travel to the valving and everything in between. So I'm going to pull over in a second. I'll show you guys the Apex wheels, and if anybody's interested in the Apex wheel and tire package that's on this car, same thing, contact me through the AutoFanatic website and I'll give you a killer deal. These wheels now are like $3,600. They're actually really hard to get in the bronze finish. This is also staggered, a little bit more aggressive than stock. And we got 2 55s in the front, 2 95s in the rear, Pilot Sport 4S. So it's mounted and balanced, road forced, TPMS sensors, everything's ready to go. And like I said, the only reason I would sell them is because we want to test this car with the stock wheel and tire package first, and then we're going to move on. We don't want to have any deviations or things that are going to skew the way the car is going to feel. And I just think that's the better way to approach it. Sell these wheels, test it on the stock wheels, put a set of Cup 2s on those stock wheels, and then go up from there. So let me pull over right now. We'll talk some more about the wheels and tires, and also the KW DDC kit that will be for sale as well. So stick around, I'll be right back. All right, guys, just pulled over. Want to show you the Apex wheels. They're in perfect condition. There's probably less than 800 miles on these. There's no curb rash, there's nothing. Tires also brand new. So if anybody's interested, definitely hit me and send me a message off the AutoFanatic website. Not only are they like an aesthetic upgrade, they're absolutely a performance upgrade, because you have a more aggressive offset. You don't need spacers. You can put bigger tires on there, so it gives you a little bit more of a selection of tire choices without having the tires bulged or stretched out. And they're also really, really lightweight. These wheels are like 19 pounds each, and they look absolutely awesome on the Verde Fangio. They look awesome on almost every color, including like white and red and everything else. Also, the KW DDC kit, that's also for sale. If anybody's interested, contact me about that as well. If you're willing to wait about a month or so until we pull it out of the car, I will sell it to you. It's going to be shipped in the original packaging with all the original hardware, books, tools, adjustments, wrenches, and everything. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. The coilover kit is coming soon. Hopefully within the next 8 weeks, we should have something on this car. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update video. Just been overwhelmed at the shop, doing way too many projects right now, and can't catch up, and really don't have any time to do any videos and stuff on my own cars or have any fun with my own cars. But that's going to change soon because I'm getting a little tired of it, tired of working too much, and I want to have a little bit more time for myself and to enjoy the stuff that I have. It doesn't make sense to just work your life away and not have any time for enjoyment. And I'm actually starting to learn that now, that things are going to start to change real soon, where there has to be a better work-life balance for myself. I'm just too focused and too prioritized on doing stuff for customers, and I just need to have some time set aside for myself and start enjoying the cars more, because I got a couple of cars at the shop that I haven't even shown on the channel yet. We're going to be doing some builds on those, and I have not even had time to do it. This car hasn't been driven. The inspection, New York State inspection, has been expired for over 3 months, and I have not even had time to get that done. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more content. If anybody's interested in the wheels or the KW kit, send me a message off the website today, and I'll make you a killer deal. Thanks.